In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word step by step so you can build a clean branded document header that looks polished every time you send a letter. This is a simple method that works great for businesses, freelancers, offices, and anyone who wants their documents to look more official and consistent. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and start a new blank document. This gives you a clean space to build your letterhead from scratch without any distractions. Once your blank document opens, the next step is to insert a header. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Word, then click Header and choose Edit Header. This opens the top section of the page where your letterhead elements will go. Using the header is important because it keeps your company branding in the same place on every page, which makes your documents look more professional and easier to reuse. Now that you're inside the header area, it's time to add your logo. Click Insert again, then choose Pictures and upload your logo file from your computer. Once the logo appears, you can resize it and move it to the left, right, or center depending on the style you want. A lot of people place the logo on the left and the company name beside it, but you can arrange it however fits your brand best. If your logo is too large, simply drag the corners inward to make it smaller without losing the shape. After the logo is in place, add your company details directly into the header. Type your business name, street address, phone number, email address, website, or any other contact information you want included. Keep the text neat and easy to read. You can use bold text for the company name and a smaller font for the contact details underneath. If you want to make the letterhead look even more polished, you can align the text carefully with the logo and use simple formatting like spacing or a thin line beneath the header. The goal is to make everything look balanced and professional, not crowded. Once the layout looks the way you want, take a moment to review the spacing and alignment. Scroll through the document if needed to make sure the header sits correctly at the top and doesn't overlap with the main body of the page. If you ever need to make adjustments, just double-click the header area again and edit the logo or text until it looks right. After that, the final step is to save your work as a reusable template. Go to File, then click Save As, and choose Word Template with the .x format. Saving it as a template is a huge time saver because you can reuse the same letterhead design again and again without rebuilding it from scratch. The next time you need a letterhead, just open the template, update the text if necessary, and you're ready to go. And that's it. You've now created a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word. It's quick, easy, and perfect for keeping all of your business documents consistent. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Microsoft Word and other helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.